Recently, the defense company of Germany, KNDS, and Texelis of France officially announced the signing of the MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, in this case regarding the plan to acquire the Serval 4x4 armored vehicle. This strategic move marks an important milestone in European land defense mobility, which combines KNDS expertise in the manufacture of armored vehicles with Texelis advanced mobility solutions. The Serval, which is a modern 4x4 armored vehicle, is known for its high mobility, protection, and adaptability. The vehicle, which is part of France's vbmr-l Véhicule Blind Multi-Rails program, is designed to meet the operational needs of the French Army in a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, combat support, and logistics. The modular design, this vehicle, is highly versatile and can certainly be adapted in a variety of roles, from troop transport to armored reconnaissance. Its steel coating provides protection against small arms fire, mine explosions, and IEDs, improvised explosive devices, making it effective in various battlefield environments. Therefore, in order to significantly improve the defense capabilities of its ground forces, the General Directorate of Armaments of the French Armed Forces, DGA, announced to acquire 24 Serval LAD anti-drone armored vehicles by January 28, 2025. The new order, as part of an expanded French investment in anti-drone technology, is driven by lessons that can be learned from recent conflicts, particularly the ongoing war in Ukraine, where drones have played a crucial role in shaping modern battlefield strategies. Serval LAD vehicle, which is specially designed for anti-drone operations. Each vehicle, however, will be equipped with an ARX 30 remote control tower designed by the Franco-German defense company KNDS, Krauss-Maffei, Wegmann, and Nexter Defense Systems. The ARX 30 turret, armed with a 30mm cannon that provides significant firepower, is capable of attacking small drones as well as other threats at medium range. The tower also features an integrated autonomous detection system, including radar and radio frequency detectors, which allows vehicles to efficiently detect and neutralize drone threats. The turret has a mono-feed weapon system for a continuous supply of ammunition with a practical range of up to 1.5 kilometers, which can fire 220 rounds per minute during ground operations, and reach up to 730 rounds per minute when needed, and produces an average repulsive force of 550 Dan. Meanwhile, the turret is also equipped with an advanced vision system, which includes a color CCD, charge-coupled device, camera, an uncooled infrared IR sensor, and an eye-safe laser distance finder LRF for accurate targeting and detection in a variety of environments. Furthermore, the turret has an azimuth rotation of 360 degrees and an elevation range from -15 degrees to +55 degrees, which provides excellent dynamic operational capabilities. By having two-axis stabilization, the vehicle's turret can ensure its targeting accuracy, even in challenging conditions. In terms of mobility, the Serval is equipped with a powerful engine, which can travel at speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. Of course, it can carry out fast deployment on various terrains, and it has its operational range on land of more than 610 kilometers. As for the Serval vehicle, when operating, it can pass through a 60% ramp, 700 millimeters of steps, and an uphill road of 1.2 meters even without prior preparation. As we have seen so far on the contemporary battlefield, drones have become a significant threat, used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. During this time, drones have been increasingly used in wars to disrupt military operations or target high-value assets. In this regard, many countries have continued to develop and deploy increasingly sophisticated drones, Thus, imposing military forces must integrate anti-drone technology into their defense strategies. The shifting dynamics of warfare have prompted militaries around the world to invest heavily in anti-drone solutions as well as these solutions, which can protect troops and infrastructure from the rampant use of UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. The presence of the Serval LAD and the ARX 30 tower is one prime example of how forces can adapt to the rapid evolution of drone threats and ensure that anti-drone capabilities remain at the forefront in modern defense planning. The company's branch, which is located at the French KNDS facility in Rouen, further strengthens its collaboration with the Texelis company in its armored vehicle program and ensures sustainability in joint development efforts. The company, however, has played a key role in the modernization of the French Army's vehicle fleet, providing advanced mobility components for a variety of platforms, including 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8 vehicles. Texelis company so far has employed more than 350 people, and the company generates revenues of around 110 million euros. Leadership of Texelis as part of the PROJECT in developing hybrid propulsion and energy management. This will be able to accelerate the KNDS's efforts to develop more sustainable and efficient combat vehicles. Looking at the development of military technology now, with this program, of course, it is a step in line, especially with the current global defense trend, because military forces are certainly looking for a combat platform that is more agile, fuel efficient, and very mobile.